And hello. Today we're doing a Play-Doh 3-course meal challenge. So here are contestants. Yes, and I'm also in here too. So I'll show you guys the first appetizer and let's go. So here are our appetizers. Can you guess who made who? Okay. So first one is hers. Second one is his. This is mine.
So I'll explain. So this is fish sticks with a salsa. You dip them in and enjoy.
Nice.
And this is green peas with a tortilla chip.
Okay, and this is just bread with blueberries with strawberries. Okay, now you guys get ready to make your main meal and let's go. Okay, now it's the main meal. We have a hamburger here with some sweet potato fries and then lobster with what?
Yeah, we're supposed to explain.
And then a hot dog. Let's see. What is yours?
None of them.
None of them? Okay. Well, what is that, sir?
A lobster with green peas and yeah.
And then I made this a hamburger, as you can see.
I made a hot dog, ketchup, and a side of fries.
Nice. Now, let's go to the desserts. And let's go. Okay, now it's the dessert. We have this. I don't know what it is. We have this. And then this. It's been a real stress, guys. We've been timed. It was hard. So, which dish did you make and what is it?
I made this dish one. This dish is blackberry thin crusted cookies with a very thick side of whipped cream mixed with ice cream. And then we got ice cream, we got strawberry homemade ice cream right there. And then these are thin crusted churros. A little like strawberry dusted.
And now, what did you make?
I made this crepe and filled with Nutella. And yeah.
Okay, and I made this. Some strawberries with chocolate around them, drizzled with chocolate. And then some sherbet, just a line of sherbet on there. Okay, so let's bring out all the meals all together. Show you how it is. Okay, so now this is all of mine. This is my meals, Lucas's meals, and Roxana's meals. Okay, so you guys can also comment down below which meal was the best. But let's see which one of us prefers which one. So which one would you eat, except yours?
So let's think. Well, for my meal between these two, for my appetizers, I'm gonna have to choose this. Tortilla chips, come on. You just gotta eat that.
Okay.
And I don't really feel like eating dessert kind of stuff. For appetizer, and for the main meal, I love hamburgers. I'm gonna have to go with hamburgers. I'm so sorry. And then
Drum roll,
dessert.
please. Tiebreaker.
I love crepes.
Doesn't even look like it.
Better than strawberry drizzled.
Okay, wow,
Chocolate
heartbreaking.
drizzled.
Now, which one do you like the best?
I like.
Oh, sorry.
For the appetizers, I would like this.
Ooh, okay, so that's 1 point for me.
And for the meal, I would have to go with hot dogs because I love hot dogs.
Okay, now the dessert.
I'll have to go with that.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm out of here now.
Let me say, okay, ready? What do you like?
Okay, so I personally, I would choose for appetizer probably fish sticks because those are really good. And then for the main meal, probably lobster. A really good lobster is so good. Tastes like shrimp, and then which I love shrimp. And then the dessert would be that. I love ice cream. So yeah. So Roxana wins altogether, I guess. So she is the champion for now. The Play-Doh Champion Master. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe below and like our video. Bye.